Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. 2013 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE5 with 11,991 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, reverse, and an electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and an electronic windshield. We have replaced the front tires. The SPYDER offers long-distance touring comfort, agility, and thrilling power on the stability of 3 wheels, standing out in a class of its own with its unique design. Powered by a 998cc engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 76 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 928 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.